Network models. Computer networks are created by different entities. Standards are needed so that these heterogeneous networks can communicate with one another. The two best known standards are OSI model and Internet model. The OSI Open System Interconnection model defines a 7-layer network. The Internet model defines a 5-layer network. So open system interconnection has 7 layers and Internet model has 5 layers. Now categories of networks. Today when we speak of networks, we are generally referring to two primary categories. First is local area network and wide area networks. So LAN and WAN are two main parts in network. A category into which a network falls is determined by its size. A LAN normally covers an area less than 2 meter. A WAN can be worldwide. Networks of a size in between are normally referred to as a metropolitan area networks and span tens of miles. Now, the categories in which network falls, that means how we categorize them is determined by size. That means a LAN has a 2 meter area. WAN can be worldwide. Local area network. Local area network. A local area network LAN is usually privately owned and links the device in single office, building or campus. So it is for a building, office or campus. It is limited up to that. Depending on needs of organization and type of technology used, a LAN can be simple as two PCs and printer in someone's homes and office, or it can be extended throughout a company, include audio and video peripherals. So that means LAN can be simple network also between the desktop and the printer also, and it can be complex also, like in a company in which we include audio and video peripherals, etc. Currently LAN size is limited to few kilometers, so LAN can be up to few kilometers. LANs are designed to allow resources to be shared between personal computers and workstations. That means we can send file or we can transfer files from one desktop to another desktop using a LAN connection. The resources to be shared can include hardware, example a printer, software, an application program or data. So the resources resources shared which are, for example, in a computer lab, if we have 10 computers and only one printers, so that one printer can be connected with those 10 computers, so with the help of a LAN. So LAN is useful there. In addition to size, LANs are distinguished from other types of networks by their transmission media and topology. Most common topology used in a LAN are bus, star, mesh, etc. The bus, ring and star are used in LAN. These are topologies which are used in LAN. The early LANs had data rates in the 4 to 16 megabits per second range, Mbps range. So earlier it had 4 to 16 megabits per second range. Today, however, speeds are normally 100 to 1000 Mbps. So as technology is evolving, speed is also increasing. Wireless LANs are the newest evolution in LAN technology. We discuss wireless LANs, that means WLAN. These are new LANs in these are modern LANs which do not have any wire.